In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the VVT solenoid on your Nissan Rogue, located right down here on the front side of your engine. I'm going to go ahead and reach down, and this connector right here we need to remove. So there's a little spring clip on the back side. We're going to pinch that, wiggle that off. And on the bottom side, down here, there's a 10mm bolt. I want to go ahead, loosen, and remove that. And once you break that bolt loose, you can normally just pop that extension and socket off. Reach down there by hand and spin that out the rest of the way. Got to remove that bolt. Now that solenoid is held in place with a O-ring. So I'm going to try and work that out. It's stuck in there pretty good. So let's go ahead and try an alternate way to remove that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a long flathead screwdriver. I'm going to go right on the side of the solenoid here, and I'm just going to gently tap that. And we just pop that out there. Should be able to reach down, grab that solenoid, pull that out. And you can see some engine oil coming off of it. That is typical. Go ahead and remove that unit. Now we did put a little bit of oil on the outside of that O-ring there. We'll go ahead and line this up, insert this in. Reach down there and press that into that port. So what we're doing is we're underneath the vehicle, we're using a pry bar, and what you could do is just gently push in to get this VVT seated. It's hard to do it from the top with just using your fingertips. We can see that this is now seated. We're just going to turn that a little bit from up top to get that bolt holder line up. See if we can reach down and get that bolt started. And once you have that bolt started, I'm going to go ahead and snug that down. And that is going to help us pull that solenoid into the engine and get that fully seated. Once we have that tightened down, we can go ahead and grab our connector. Go ahead and line that up, push that on. You can feel it in here, it snap into place, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.